Hello there! This video is going to be addition to my home stuff playlist. I'll show you how to put on clothes dryer on standard washing machine without additional cabinet installation or combining different machines. And here's a standard Electrolux washing machine, on which I want to put on an Electrolux clothes dryer. You can't screw them together, because different manufacturers. To put on clothes dryer on washing machine, you have three choices. Buy one manufacturer clothes dryer and washing machine that are supposed to be connected from the start. Build a cabinet or shelf and put on it the clothes dryer and below it washing machine. Or buy self-sticking dryer fixing pads. Well, I can't really believe them because they only cost 8 euros. But if I can actually save around 200 euros, then why shouldn't I try them out? It gives a bigger choice in choosing the clothes dryer and washing machine because you don't have to choose specific models that can be screwed together. And it's a lot cheaper than building a cabinet for both machines. Nothing special in packaging, just what you expect from 8 euros. The legs are glued. It is important to put the washing machine perfectly straight. To be honest, these legs don't look safe. But still I'll follow the instructions by putting legs in different directions so that the dryer does not slip. Then ask someone for help and put on the dryer. And here's the result. Nobody got hurt, at least for now. Write down in the comments if you use separate dryer, and if yes, then how did you install it? Right now it looks pretty safe, and I can claim that it is, even though I did not believe it at the start. This video was recorded around 6 months ago. I have used the dryer and washing machine around 30 or 40 times and nothing has fallen off or moved out of its place, even though my machine has 1600 RPM. I am very satisfied about this 8 euro purchase. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Next video on my home stuff playlist will be a personal experience using clothes dryer for 6 months, because until now, clothes were dried on a simple drying line. And I'll see you later. Ciao!